Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. eGovPH, how to access NBI service right here. So I'll be teaching you how to go to your website and how to access it. So right now, all we need to do is open our eGovPH. Once we open up our eGovPH, all we need to do is go press on the NGAS. AS, there we go. After doing that, you can type here NBI, or you can just scroll down till you see the NBI. So we're just gonna scroll down to see where the NBI is. There you go. So there you go. As you can see, eGovPH has NBI right here. So this is very useful if you want to, if you want to have a quick, if you want to make a quick NBI clearance, and especially if you are approved here in your eGovPH, when you're gonna get an NBI clearance, it's much more easier when you're gonna do it, apply on online right here. It's much more easier because it's already done. It will automatically fill up a bunch of stuff for you. There you go. So there will automatically fill up a bunch of stuff for you, and then you can also visit their website right here. So this is their official website. So I suggest, if you don't know, if you don't want to get scam or some stuff, I suggest going right to using eGov to go to their official website by just downloading the app, and you can easily reach their official website, as you can see right here. There you go. Now we're just gonna go back. Gonna go back right here. There you go. So yeah, that's how you go to the NBI services here at eGov. So here, if you have any more questions or any more concerns, you can type it down in the comment section below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys the video enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.